Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I have a quick scrap wood project. I have some keys for various things around the house and sheds and stuff, and I want to make a little plaque with some hooks on it to fix inside of a cupboard so that the keys will be out the way and not just floating around in a drawer and easier to find. So yeah, I found this piece of planed pine. I'm just going to cut it to width on the table saw and square it up on the chop saw. I'm just going to cut it a little bit wider than my longest key, and I'm just going to use the key as a reference. So somewhere there. Now I'm just going to space out the keys to get my length, and I think I'm going to go for 5 hooks. So I can cut along here. So about there somewhere. That's the board cut to size. Now I'm just going to give the edge a chamfer all the way around, and then after that I'll give it a good sand down. Now I'm just going to mark the centre and then work my way out evenly for the other positions of the hooks. So I've got 28, which will be 14, which I've already marked, and then I've got 4 more hooks, so let's go. If we did 5, that would be 9. And then 4. And going the other way to 19. And 21, 23. No, 24. Square them across. Now I'm going to mark a line 1 centimetre from the top all the way along for the height of the hooks. Now that I've marked all my hook positions, I'm going to drill a very small pilot hole with this 2mm brad tipped bit. Off camera I've also marked 2 mounting holes which I will drill as well. I'll follow those through with a countersink. Now I will just sand off all the pencil marks. So I found this old magnetic strip which I think I'm gonna put on, and hopefully that will stop the keys from jingling around too much when it's mounted to the cupboard door and the cupboard door gets opened. And I'm just going to do that with some CA glue and activator. Now I'm just going to give it a coat of black spray paint. Now that the paint is dry, I can install the hooks, and what I've got are these little brass hooks. Now I'm just going to make sure they're all straight. And there it is, all done. That's pretty much it for today. What I'll do is I'll take a picture of it installed and I will put it up here somewhere, and Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and comment. Really helps me out. And I'll see you next time.